Hey guys, how's it going? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm showing you guys how to activate the VPN on your Macs. And if you haven't done this already, well, this is how you do it. Now most of you probably have, but this is a quick refresher. So when I say VPN and what a VPN is, it's virtual private network. The idea here is in order to access the internal network, that is the Xserve that's on campus, you have to basically do something that's called network tunneling. So what you do is basically activate a VPN client, which automatically connects to the college, and then reroutes your computer internet signal through the quote unquote tunnel into the internal network server on the campus. And that's how you guys can access Xserve from home and so on and so forth. So what we're going to do is basically I'm going to show you guys how it works, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up. So here I am. I'm on my desktop. Now I can't just go to Command K and hit connect and try connecting the Xserve. Blech, what's this? There's a problem connecting the Xserve, yada yada yada. It cannot find the address because I'm not connected to the college network. If you were sitting on campus or you in their dorm or something like that last semester, you're physically connected to the college network. Okay, but if you're at home, you're not. You're connected to your connection or your parents' connection or whatever. So what you have to do is basically set up a VPN. And when it's set up, you basically come up here to the top, this little cool icon, click connect to Algonquin. There we go. And you would basically input your password. Uh, mm-hmm. And it'll say connect, and then all of a sudden a clock starts running telling you how long you've been connected, and then you can connect to the Xserve. That's just as simple as it is. This is for anything I believe Lion and newer, okay, but this is basically how this works. There you go. Now I'm connected to the Xserve and I can see the server contents. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. So what you do to set this up, come on, eject. And we'll let that do that. Okay, so I've just connected the Xserve now finally, and basically what I'm doing is going to make sure I've disconnected from VPN. That's how I disconnect, right? Click disconnect, boom. So here we go. What I'm going to do is go up to my system preferences in the top left, system preferences, and I'm going to go over to network, which is where again? There it is, network. When you click network, it basically loads and shows you. I'm actually going to turn off my wireless. Turn off. There we go. This shows you all your connected network devices. Now, it lists FireWire because technically speaking, you could use FireWire to create a local area network or LAN, okay? So right now I have Ethernet. If you had wireless connected, it would be there, Bluetooth, and so on. And I have my own Algonquin VPN. So what you guys are going to do is come right down here and click plus. And this is going to add a new connection. So we're going to go ahead and do this. And you're going to select the interface. Okay, so you're going to tell the computer what kind of connection this is. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, FireWire, Ethernet. We want VPN, or virtual private network. And then, most importantly, the protocol to choose, and make sure you guys are paying attention, is the Cisco IPS EC. That's just the actual protocol the college uses. And then service name, I would give it a name. I'm going to call mine Algonquin College VPN. And I'm going to click create. And I'm going to wait. And I'm going to pray my computer. There we go. So now we have a VPN connection created, but you're not done yet because you need to put in a server address, an account name, and then a few other authentication settings. So right off the bat, you need to type in the server, which is secure.algonquincollege.com. Okay, so that's secure.algonquincollege.com. That's basically going to tell the VPN that that is the address of the college. Then you're going to type in your usernames, so the names you guys use to get onto Blackboard. So mine's Piersot. There we are. And then password, you could type it in here now, or you can just let it prompt you. It's up to you guys. Now, before you click connect, don't everybody just click connect at once. Make sure you go to authenticate settings. And this is the super secret nonsense you have to type in. So, capital V, P, N, so capital VPN, capital G, ROUP, and the number 1. Okay, so just type that out for you. It's basically VPN group 1. Okay, and for group name, you basically type in the exact same thing. So VPN group 1, capital VPN G, group 1. And this is the same thing that you would just basically copy and paste up into here. So the shared certificate is the same thing as group name because Algonquin's super secret like that. Go ahead and click OK. Make sure that Show VPN Status in my menu bar is selected, and click Apply. Now, you should see if you already have if you have multiple VPN connections, you should be able to see that. Yeah, where'd it go? There it is. You should be able to see them right here, and I can go and connect to my newest one, connect Algonquin College VPN. Prompts me for my password. Bada bing, bada boom, I'm connected. Now I can basically connect to Xserve just like I would if I was at the college, and you can download my videos, you can drop assignments. I would really recommend, though, you guys don't do this through wireless. If you guys have the ability to connect to your routers using your Ethernet cables, I'd recommend this. Because wireless, although fast, does not have the proper amount of bandwidth to transfer massive files compared to wired connections. That's why even though I'm at home, I'm not connected to my wireless, I connect to my VPN. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and stop that now. So that is basically how you create your VPN connections, and all this information is also available to you guys right here on the remote connection section of the Algonquin Information Technology Service. And if you scroll down, you'll find the VPN MAC system. Okay, so there it is.